welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first time here, thanks so much for stopping by today. What I have for you today is my Trendmood box. We're going to be unboxing this today. So if that sounds interesting to you, why don't we go ahead and get started? Alrighty, so if you've never heard of Trendmood, number one, she has an awesome Instagram account. Anyway, she posts all the newest beauty products coming out. She gets kind of a heads up a lot of times by the brands, and so she's able to announce the launches a lot of times before sometimes other people know about them. So she's a great Instagram account to follow. It's Trendmood1 is her Instagram handle. So yeah, highly recommend following her. But what the box is, it's not a monthly subscription box. These are sporadic. There's no set date. There's no set price. She will just announce on her Instagram, you know, hey, this is the next box, this is what's going in it, so you know what's going in it. A lot of times it'll be at least one new item in here that maybe nobody's tried yet, except for maybe like the big influencers, you know, that get it in PR. But it's not like released in stores yet or anything, so that's kind of exciting. She'll have sometimes full brand takeovers, like I think she did Fenty one time. I know she did e.l.f. I got that one. It was like a skincare one. I got that one. It was quite nice. I don't know why I didn't unbox that and do a video for that. I should have. I don't know. I've seen a lot of really good ones, and sometimes it's a mixture of different brands, so you just never quite know. But like I said, you know ahead of time everything that's going in there, and you know the price, you know when it goes on sale. So and she ships super fast, super fast. But anyway, so I think all the boxes have ranged about 40 bucks roughly, so not bad at all. This particular one was the First Aid Beauty Takeover. So, and I don't remember how much I spent on it, but I will pop it up on the screen. And I will, ow, I think I just got a paper cut. Yep, sure did. And I will, as I'm showing you each item, I will pop up the value on the screen as well. I open this up, and the very first thing I see is Ultra Collagen Repair Cream. So I guess maybe that's their new item, hopefully. Oh yeah, okay, so let me give you the full effect. So this is what we're looking like right here. There's the box, and then these are the goodies. And it always looks real nice like this. She does a great job. It's all well packaged. And see, it's loaded with bubble wrap in there, so they do a really good job of packaging their stuff. So, okay, I'll set this down now, and we'll just pull out one thing at a time. I'm not trying anything today or anything like that. I'm not going to swatch anything or anything like that because I've got to decide what I may or may not be opening right now, just because I have so much skincare. But I couldn't pass up on this deal. I love First Aid Beauty, and it was a really good value. Okay, so the very first thing I see in here is a Pure Skin face cleanser with Fab Antioxidant Booster. So there you go. There's that. Let's see. Okay. And I will pop up on the screen again how much these are. So there's the cleanser. This is, ooh, I have this. This is nice. No, I don't have this product. This is the KP Bump Eraser Body Scrub. I have KP, Polaris, where you get these like little red spots or white spots all over your arms a lot of times, sometimes on your thighs and stuff, and they almost look like little pimples, but they're not. And like if you try to break them, it's like there's extra, what did they say it is, calcium or something in there, so you just wind up scarring yourself. You're not getting rid of them. But so the best way to get rid of them, they say, is with chemical exfoliation and lots of moisturization. So yay, this is 10% AHA, so yay, I'm super excited about this. I forgot this one was coming in here. There we go, there's no glare. Now you can kind of see it. So I'll pop up how much that is. And then I have the facial radiance pads. It says help exfoliate, tone, and brighten. And there are 60 pads in here, so nice. Very nice. Okay, and then I have a feeling this is their new product. This is the Ultra Repair Firming Collagen Cream with collagen, peptides, and niacinamide. So there you go. That is, hold on, maybe if I pull it back farther you can see it. There you go. And then the last thing in here is the Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration. Skin Protectant Colloidal Oatmeal. Colloidal Oatmeal. So there you go. That's what that one looks like. So again, if I can find the price, I will pop the price up on the screen in the video. If I can't find the price and I can find it later, I'll put it in the description box. So that's everything I got. I will update you guys as I use these products, as I start to incorporate them into my routine. So with all that being said, I would love it if you would consider subscribing and ringing that notification bell so that you'll be notified of all my future content. Also, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. That helps me out a lot. Also, sharing this video helps me out a lot. I have a big lofty goal to reach 1,000 subscribers by June. So if you could help me out with that, I would really appreciate it. But in the meantime, I want to say thank you so much for watching. I hope that you are having a great day or evening wherever you are in this world. I hope you are staying safe. Hope you are staying healthy, and I look forward to talking to you again soon. Bye!